Diesel. Okay, not quite so environmentally friendly as some of the ones you'll see later on today, but nonetheless, great little airplane. The Pitts S2B. Can you believe this aircraft was designed, Pitts in America designed it on the back of a cigarette packet in the late 1930s, first flew in 1944, and then in 1950, Betty Skelton, an American lady who only died very recently in Florida, brought an aircraft over called the Little Stinker to Gatwick in 1950, and well, from there on in, it's all been his. You know, there's so much noise coming from that old engine, he's got his helmet on. P-51 Mustang, Morris Hammond there taxiing out. He's getting ready to go. It's all happening. I can see Dennis Kenyon in the Hughes 300 helicopter. Oh my goodness me, there are airplanes everywhere. It's a commentator's nightmare or delight, depending on which way you look at it. Upside down, once again, the Pitts S2B of Morris Hammond. There's a little bit of negative G pushing up to the vertical. Is he going to go beyond the vertical? No, he's going to go up into the vertical. Is it going to be a stall turn or a tail slide? He's going to do a stall turn. Whee! Knife edge, fly past there, 90 degrees. Got to have a powerful engine, a big slab fuselage like the Pitts has got. Great, great aeroplane, one of the classics. But you'll see the modern competitor of that, the Su-26, a little bit later on. And I can see Paul Bonham there lifting the... well, is he putting up on the cycle now? Listen to that wine, wonderful, big, winding aileron roll.
Oh, ඒක නෙට් එකකට ඔව් ගැතුලේ තියෙන ට්‍රේන් එක මේ චෙක් කරලා අර තමයි
So well and so happy describes that saying as being true. Sponsored, I have to tell you, by HSBC. Provide the insurance, and that's one of the things, the major things that keeps this aircraft flying. So a big thank you there to HSBC. Well, this is a historic aircraft, originally delivered on the 29th of April 1990 when it was taken from the Irish as a trainer, a two-seat trainer, and used at 7,020 feet. Look at that, well, what are we going to expect from it? Well, I can tell you, ladies and gentlemen, you will see an example of world-class aerobatics. There, the -4G push, being pushed out of the sea, red eyeballs, fantastic smoke, half-forward converted to the orientator on rolling. You don't want to do that aircraft. He's pulled off the bed, rolled upside down, and he's going to do his scramble your brain. Look at the power now. Done a couple of aileron rolls. In fact, he's doing what's known as a climbing S, but he's gaining height all the time. Quite remarkable. I have had the opportunity to fly these airplanes a few times, and I can tell you they are absolutely amazing and highly unstable. Aileron roll. That was a good idea, keeping your weight down. Listen to the sound of that 400 horsepower engine. Look at that rate of roll. 400 degrees a second. Appentrop, smacks left boot, right stick of the aircraft starts gyrating. Sky ground, what do you look for? Well, you look to the ground, when you see something you recognise, centralised everything, pull the things back, and it's all very controlled, ladies and gentlemen. But there you are, and he's working hard, believe me, at the top of the list, he's going to do something, I'm sure, yes. Oh my goodness, look at that manoeuvre. It's a tumbling roar, yours to the left, using the siren gyroscopic holding the power, but also using the gyroscopic of the whole machine as it tumbles. Yes, it's not a roll, it's got a live man inside it. Paul Bonham, well, what does he do for his daytime job? You guessed it, he's flying Jumbo, senior captain of British Airways on 747s. He will be your pilot when you go on holiday. 1945, 2 knife edge, and look at that power to be able to climb from 45 knife